everyone, it's Miss Tanya Daycare Chronicles One-on-One. I just want to show you a quick tutorial on how to take a dish that you've already prepared, say for the older children or for yourself, but you want to give it to your toddler child. You can just stick it in your food processor and chop it up. Here it goes. Just kind of load it in there as much as you think they may want. You may need to add a little bit of water in there if you like, or juice, or whatever you may like. Put it in there and let it go. Just a few minutes. The consistency is amazing. Check that out. Now this is all ready for, this is all ready for your little ones, for your toddlers or whatnot. Just take it and scoop it into their little dish that they're gonna eat, and you can see the consistency of this. This is so ready for baby. I hope you enjoy.